Could you just introduce yourself?
I'm Bonnie Neal, father of Jason Neal.
Mr. Neal, what is your reaction to the open verdict delivered by the 7-member jury today?
Well, first I say my son's name was vindicated, and I'm glad we went this route to clear his name. So we can no longer say it was suicide. You know, I must say thanks to my lawyers. They were awesome, great, you know, and they did a wonderful job.
How's the rest of the family taking it? How was the process of waiting until this verdict?
No, it was rough, but we accept it. We accept the open decision by the court. We accept it.